What does Allah says in Surah Al-Mulk? Surah Al-Mulk, also known as the sovereignty or the kingdom, is the 67th chapter of the Holy Quran. Here are some key themes and messages from this surah. The majesty of Allah. The surah opened by glorifying Allah who has control over all things and has power over life and death. It emphasizes his sovereignty over the universe. Blessed is one in whose hand rests all authority, and he is most capable of everything. Surat Ayat number 1. Creation as a sign of Allah's power. The surah reflects on the creation of heavens and the earth, highlighting the perfection and order in Allah's creation as a sign for people to reflect upon. He is the one who created seven heavens, one above the other. You will never see any imperfection in the creation of the most compassionate. So look again. Do you see any flaws? The purpose of creation. It discusses the purpose of life and that starting that they were created to test who among us is best in deeds. He is the one who created death and life in order to test which of you is best in deeds, and he is the Almighty, all forgiving. Warning to disbelievers. The surah warns those who reject the truth and are ungrateful for the blessings they receive. It describes the consequences of disbelief and the fate awaiting the disbeliever in the hell. Those who disbelieve in their Lord will suffer the punishment of hell. What an evil destination! Reflection on blessings. It urges people to reflect on the blessings of the earth, the provision of sustenance, and the safety and security provided by Allah. It reminds people not to do ungrateful and to recognize Allah's generosity. Say, O Prophet, He is the one who brought you into being and gave you hearing, sight, and intellect. Yet you hardly give any thanks. Allah, knowledge and power. The surah emphasizes Allah's comprehensive knowledge of His creation, both what is concealed and what is revealed. Whether you speak secretly or openly, He surely knows best what is hidden in the heart. Encouragement to reflect and seek forgiveness. It encourages believers to seek forgiveness for their sins and reflect on their lives and action. Surah Al-Mulk serves as a reminder of Allah's power, the purpose of creation, and the consequences of our action. It encourages reflection, gratitude, and faith in Allah's ultimate sovereignty. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.